Konnichiwa. Let's power up for our last full day in Tokyo before we have to head home. Kawaii Monster Cafe.
Tokyo Metropolitan のアイコンがあるモンスターガール練習会を中央のスイーツコーナーで行います。皆様こちら中央までお集まりになってお待ちください。Ladies and gentlemen, birthday girls, welcome to Kawaii Monster Cafe. Quickly starting the monster performance soon on the center screen forum. 振り付けたあなた様白くディスコサイド。こちらのマッシュルームディスコテリアが正面になりますので、お席にお座りのお客様、お席のお客様はこちら正面。
As many things were in Tokyo, Kawaii Monster Cafe was just kind of unexplainable. A fun place to have a sweet treat on your last day in Tokyo. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
いらっしゃいませ。お客様がお探しの商品をどこにあるか答えますよ。画面の青いボタンをタッチして僕に話しかけてみてくださいね。
I think you have a pet?
Oh, he's looking up at me. This is Pepper.
こんにちは。
Oh,
hello.
Konnichiwa, Pepper. Konnichiwa.
ごめんなさい。まだまだ見習い中のため、その質問にお答えでき
Oh,
ませ
he's
ん。
asking a question.
いただい
See,
た
you
質
can
問につい
say
ては
up
店
down.
員さんに聞いてみてください。何？
Are we done? Okay, did it? Oh, yeah.
嬉しい。
Oh. Did you pay for it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You said yes. Okay.
We had to say goodbye to our new robot friend and go meet a new friend. Think I can sneak him into my carry-on? If you like vintage shopping, Tokyo has some great options like these iconic jackets.
Alas, we have our very last night in Tokyo, and we are wandering through Shibuya before heading over to Shinjuku for our last kind of walkthrough. The only thing we really haven't seen is Golden Guy, and we plan on doing that tonight. But as you can see, it's busy even though it's rainy. We're also going to go up to the top of the Government Metropolitan Building to see the evening view. We went there during the day the other day and saw the day views. So that is that, and then we will wrap up Tokyo and head home. So sad. See you later.
Offering some of the best views of Tokyo, the Metropolitan Building in Shinjuku is a free way to see the views.
Goodbye, Tokyo.
And for our very last meal in Tokyo, we chose the little sushi go-round across the street from our Airbnb. I was amazed at how fast this guy was with the sushi. It was a fun way to spend our last few hours in the city. If you have the chance to choose your airport, Haneda is a great airport choice, offering so much to do before your flight.
Here we are. Our last day, we were on the plane, ready to go home. Not excited. I have to work tomorrow, so it's going to be a little rough, but we had a fabulous trip. But yeah. No. Oh well. My husband's making a friend with the guy next to him, so when I disturb them 10 times to go to the bathroom, we're good. But in any case, it's been a fabulous trip, and we hope to return again soon. Thanks, Japan. Peace out for now.
Where are we going next? Let's go.